Kevätsipuli.
For 제육볶음.
Some for 제육볶음.
포르카나.
Irtosipuli vai punasipuli?
Irtosipuli.
Tuossa on myös sipulipussi. Pora tykkää myös makeasta sipulista.
Vain 40 senttiä. I always mix purodiisi and the täysjyväliisi together when I make the Korean food. Suojakastike tarvitaan. I bought these types of pork, Kyrgyz put the meat with sauce and mix all together. I will put this marinated meat to fridge for 30 minutes so it will be more juicy and delicious. For vegetables, we need onions, carrot, and green onions. Now it's almost ready. At the end, put the spring onions and wait for 3 to 5 minutes more. Then it's time to eat. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Hyvää ruokahalua. Tässä on korealaista soijavapputahnaa, mikä on hyvä lihan päällä. Usein korealaisissa barbecue-paikoissa on tarjolla aina. Sitä löytyy tänä päivänä Suomestakin aika monista eri kaupoista. Vähän sitä lihan päälle. Sitten siihen voi laittaa maun mukaan vähän kimchiä tai sitten siihen voi laittaa vaikka riisiä päälle. Sen jälkeen laitetaan nyytti kiinni ja sit vaan syödä.
Mikä on paljon?
No, katsotaan. Juttu.
Peruna pannukakulla.
Aha.
Intian perua on parempi korealaisen pannukakulla. Hello! Korean dish I will make is Korean style potato pancakes. It's really easy. The ingredients are so simple. Potatoes and onion. And you can prepare this kind of tempura powder. If you don't have this, no worry. You can use normal flour and add a little bit breadcrumbs. Then it's fine. The reason why I use this to make crispy pancakes. It's important to cut potato thin slices. So like this. You see how thin it is? But if you don't have any slicer, no worry. We have knife. Next step is, before we cook the potato pancakes, we will put the water into potato for 10 minutes to remove starch. Let it be for 10 minutes, so the starch will be removed. So it will be more crispy. After 10 minutes, now it's time to remove the water. Wash. And leave them like this for 5 minutes, so there will be no water. And put onions here, and 2 spoons of tempura powder, and pepper. It's better to put oil enough. Not high temperature, between medium and high temperature is alright. When it turns to the brown color, you flip another way. Oliko hyvä?
Todella hyvä. Ja niin rapeeta. Ota sinäkin.
Joo.